Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out problem on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, you have to check your battery levels. If your battery percentage is less than 20%, then some features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth may be restricted. To save the battery, you have to charge your iPhone just a little bit and check if the Wi-Fi problem is solved or not. If your Wi-Fi is still grayed out, then all you have to do is open your control center, and after that you have to turn on your airplane mode. Turn it on, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn off your airplane mode once again and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, you can also try open your iPhone settings, scroll down a bit, click on screen time, a new page will open, scroll down again, click on content and privacy restrictions. You will see a list of options. You have to select Bluetooth sharing and you have to make sure it is set to allow. After doing that, you have to check if your Wi-Fi problem is solved or not. But if your Wi-Fi is still grayed out, then all you have to do is force restart your iPhone. To force restart, all you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, and then follow up by quickly press and release the volume down button. And then press and hold the power button and wait till your iPhone screen goes black. Once the screen is black, you have successfully force restarted your iPhone. And after restarting, you have to check if your problem is solved or not. But if your Wi-Fi is still grayed out, you can try another thing, which is you can go to iPhone settings, click on General, scroll down a bit, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it, and then you have to click on Reset. From here, you have to select Reset Network Settings, and after that, your network settings will be reset. It will remove all the saved Wi-Fi networks and it will also reset the VPN settings. Check if your problem is solved or not. But if your Wi-Fi is still grayed out, all you have to do is make sure that your iPhone has been updated to the latest iOS version. Sometimes this problem occurs because you're not updated to the latest iOS version. If you have an update, then you have to update your iPhone. Once updated, check if your problem is solved or not. But if your problem is still not solved, all you can do is go again to the reset settings, and this time you have to select reset all settings. Once you click on it, all the settings on your iPhone will be reset and it will ask for your iPhone password. You have to type in the password, and after that your phone will restart and it will reset all the settings of your iPhone. Once restarted, you have to check if your problem is solved or not. But if your problem is not solved, then all you have to do is factory reset your iPhone, which is the last step. You have to try factory resetting your iPhone to check if the problem is solved or not. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out problem on iPhone in iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.